Social Business Growth Fund is part funded by the European Regional Development Fund through Welsh Government and enables Welsh social businesses to create jobs here in Wales.
Good morning, Kieran. Repair, can I help?
This is an example of one of those.
Was it handrails you were looking at having done?
And a key safe as well. That's no problem. Can I just take some details?
The charity Chreu Repair Cardiff in the Vale has set up a trade-in subsidiary called Chreu Repair Home Improvement Services, and the trade-in subsidiary exists to support the charity to deliver works to our main client group, older people. We also have set it up to generate long-term sustainability for the charity, to help us generate income so that we're less reliant on, for example, grant funding, so we can be, if you like, more resilient in the future where we know there's further pressures down the line with potential funding. The Social Business Growth Fund has been instrumental in helping us go from our vision, if you like, of where we wanted to set up our social business to help the charity to where we are now, actually trading, employing several staff. The charity and its trustees were willing to make a small investment out of our reserves, but with the match funding we received from the Social Business Growth Fund, that's enabled us to have the confidence to develop a lot quicker and a lot more smoothly than we would have anticipated. For example, our original business plan was one of very gradual growth, but with the support we've had through the Social Business Growth Fund, we've actually been able to accelerate that and actually bid and tender successfully for bigger contracts. The Social Business Growth Fund is a combination of both grant and loan, and the more successful you are in your business in terms of creating jobs, the more grant it becomes. So for us, this gave us a really fantastic incentive to look at our job creation. We knew that we'd be able to create new jobs with the funding, but actually with the contracts we've been able to win, we're actually going to exceed our original job target. That means we're more likely to receive a greater proportion of grants through the Social Business Growth Fund than loan, which is fantastic for us because it's a win-win for us.
Before a person can be discharged from hospital, we've got to do our bit, whether it's fitting a key safe outside, fitting a grab rail so they can use the bath when they get home, or a handrail up the stairs so they can go up to bed. It's got to be done prior to them being released from hospital. Otherwise, you know, they can't free up the beds. So our work is essential, really.
Good morning, Mrs. Jones.
What Richard's just told us is a great example of what Social Business Growth Fund is all about. It does exactly what it says on the tin, enabling people to take good ideas and make them happen and create jobs to put money to work really in our communities for everybody's benefit. We're hoping that lots more people will come forward and take advantage of this, and we look forward to supporting a lot more organisations over the coming months.